What usually goes out on a furnace? What usually goes out on a furnace is most often the igniter or the pilot light. Older furnaces use a standing pilot light that can go out over time, while newer systems rely on electronic ignitors that wear down from repeated heating cycles. When the igniter fails, the furnace may turn on but never produce heat. Other common problem parts include flame sensors, blower motors, and control boards, all of which play a role in safe operation. Here in New Egypt, New Jersey, furnaces work hard during cold winters, which puts extra wear on components. In older systems, it is common to see multiple parts fail close together. That is often a sign the furnace is nearing the end of its lifespan rather than a one-time issue. If your furnace is not producing heat, call Dustin's Plumbing, Heating, and AC Repair to schedule professional furnace service in New Egypt, New Jersey. We will identify the problem and help you decide whether repair or replacement makes the most sense.